Hello guys, once again welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Can you confused? What should be eaten in breakfast? Then see the video. If the body is given good food in breakfast, it is the best and protect you from disease. So you must use coconut water in the morning. If you stay out of the house and you do not have time to make breakfast, then it does not matter. It is better to take an apple and go to work while eating it than eating random things. By using an apple in breakfast every day, you will remain completely healthy, and it also keeps migraine headache away. You can also use homemade poha or upma in breakfast in the morning. You can make poha or upma by adding some green vegetables to it. If you are using juice and sprouted lentils in breakfast, then it is the best. The body gets a good amount of protein from this. For similar Ayurvedic and unique information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.